What is up, everybody? Average Model Guy bringing it to you from the Average Model Dungeon. Stepping out of my comfort zone with this one. I have a 1/12 scale Kawasaki Ninja motorcycle. I have never built a motorcycle before. I am a little nervous about this, but yeah, we're gonna give it a shot. Trying to broaden my scale a little bit, no pun intended. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get her unboxed, see what's in here, see what I got cut out for me here. All right. Forgive me because I don't know all the motorcycle parts. I'm gonna move the box out of the way so you can see better. Looks like we got maybe exhaust. This looks like all exhaust stuff here. Yep, and maybe some of the framework here. And that one, I mean, really good detail in every piece. Next up, looks like we got engine pieces. Looks that way. Very great detail on these. These are gonna be fun. I'm not quite sure, maybe front brakes and suspension. If I was to take a guess. Yep. Wheels and fenders. Piece of the rear where the seat goes. Front fender right there. Rear fender maybe. Yep. Another small sprue. We got our seat on there. So we got mirrors, headlights, maybe some other small pieces here that go on there. I think right there's a gas cap. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Really impressed with the level of detail on this. Next up, we got our chain. Other pieces. Other fender piece maybe. Yeah. Lots of little parts. This is going to be a lot of fun. I'm assuming that's the frame. Pretty easy there. License plate maybe. Yeah, we got other small things in here. This will be great. All right, looks like we got, here's our main front end piece, and there's the rear. Come to our chrome tray. This is great. I like this. This is not like that high polish. This is like a matte chrome. I like it. It's going to be easy probably just to weather this stuff instead of having to paint it and then weather it. So that'll save some time. Really nice. Got some good chrome detail. We've got, I'm not taking these out. I'm assuming these are for the wheels. Yeah, they're going to stay in that bag until they're ready to go on. Because I will lose them. Wiring. And last but not least, there's our front tire. There's our rear tire. Got some good detail on there if you can see it. So I can try to get to focus in a little bit here. Michelin, I think that's what those are. Yep, Michelin's. So yeah, there you go. All right. Well, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to slap that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. And when I watch this build series, please subscribe. And yeah, and if you want to get notified when these videos come up, don't forget to hit that notification bell. And I'll catch you next time in the Average Model Dungeon for build part 1. Thanks for watching.